A man has seven relatives, four of them are ladies and three are gentlemen. His wife has seven relatives, and three of them are ladies and four gentlemen. In how many ways can they invite a dinner party of three ladies and three gentlemen so that there are three of man's relatives and three of wife's relatives? Now, if you read this question carefully, there are two conditions to be satisfied. For the dinner party, there need to be three ladies and three gentlemen, and also three of man's relatives and three of wife's relatives. Now, let's make a small table. Now, this table is for the man, his relatives, and the second table is for his wife and her relatives. Now, a man has seven relatives, four of them are ladies. So there are a total of four ladies and three are gentlemen. His wife has seven relatives, three of them are ladies and four are gentlemen. Now, let's write down all the cases which are possible. Now, the first case possible is there are all three men selected, zero ladies are there. Now, because men are selected over here, men cannot be selected over here, and all three ladies are selected over here. Next case is we are increasing one lady, therefore, number of men reduces to two. Now, as we have selected two men over here, there will be one man selected and two ladies will be selected. In the third case, there will be one man selected, two ladies selected from the man's relatives, and there will be two men and one lady selected from the wife's relatives. The fourth case will be zero men, three ladies from the man's side, and three men and zero ladies from the wife's side. Now, let's write this down in terms of NCR. So the first case becomes 3C3 into 4C0. So 3C3 is for out of three men, we are selecting three men. Out of four ladies, we are selecting zero ladies. And from the wife's side, we are again doing 4C0 into 3C3. This is the first case. Or, so the second case, this will become 3C2 into 4C1 into 4C1 into 3C2 plus third case. This becomes 3C1 into 4C2 into 4C2 into 3C1. And the last case, 3C0 into 4C3 plus 4C3 into 3C0. This will also be multiplied by. Now, 3C3, that is nothing but 1. 4C0 is also 1. So it becomes like this. Plus 3C2, that is 3 into 4 into 4 into 3 plus 3C1, that is 3. Now 4C2, let's do the calculation here. So 4C2 becomes 4 into 3 upon 2, that is 6. So this is 6. So 3 into 6 into 6 into 3 plus 3C0, that means 1, 4C3 That means 4. 4C3, that means 4 into 1. So let's calculate this. So this becomes 1 plus, this is 3 4s are 12 square, that is 144, plus this becomes 3 6 are 18 square, that is 324, plus 16. Now we have to add this thing. The addition comes out to be 485. So answer will be option C.